When you're in the wedding planning process, you might not be aware of all the things that you do and you don't need. But here's 4 reasons why you need a DJ at your ceremony. The first reason is music. You want music playing when your guests arrive for the ceremony. What about when you walk down the aisle? Do you just want to be walking down to dead air? Number 2 is advice. Look, a lot of planning goes into your wedding, and a lot can fall through the cracks too. That's why by having a DJ who does this on a regular basis can see what's there, what's missing, and help you have the perfect ceremony. This allows you to get extra help from someone with lots of experience. Number 3 is schedule. You want to make sure that you have someone who's professional and can oversee the entire timeline to make sure that you're on schedule and the whole thing is running smoothly. Number 4 is about the equipment. You want to make sure you have the equipment so that if you're doing a non-traditional wedding ceremony, like in the park or in the backyard, that you have speakers and you have wireless microphones so that everybody can hear the music, they can hear the officiant saying everything, hear the Bible readings, and your vows. And that's it. Those are the 4 reasons why you need a wedding DJ at your ceremony. If you like this video, give it a like, and be sure to subscribe to Crown DJs right here on YouTube. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.